Well, sometimes when we are going to print, we cannot set the paper size on the file that we are going to print. However, we can set the paper size in the printer settings. For example, we will print with F4 paper size. As a note, in this tutorial, I am using a Canon brand printer. For example, we will print on a PDF file, then friends open the PDF file, then go to the print display. After that, select Properties, and the Canon IP2770 Properties display will appear. In the Quick Setup menu, friends change the paper size and printer page size. Because F4 paper size does not exist, we choose Custom to determine the paper size ourselves. After that, the custom paper size display will appear. Change the size to millimeters, then determine the F4 paper size, namely 210 millimeters wide and 330 millimeters high. After that, click OK to save the settings, and click OK again to close the Canon IP2770 properties. Click OK again to continue the printing process. So how are you, friends? Easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial is useful for all of you.